Koek. What you see here and here, focus, those are 2 new trailers. Within a year I built my own little place on wheels, where I now have been staying in for half a year on the HX Crusts terrain, where I work and stay. I'm in residence there. It's the term we use for law and order. What you see here are 2 new trailers, because I plan to make some artisan residence complex, some space where many new little spaces come together, and it's a long story which I cannot explain briefly. I filmed the whole process of making that my own private space. I completely underestimated making such a big film. So I have now 4 terabytes of footage in which you can see me make this little space. I did several attempts to try to get it into one big thing, but it's quite difficult. I feel like documenting all of this though. I don't know where I go with the film yet. I do know that I want to stay documenting, and I do know that I do not longer want to neglect this whole YouTube thing here. So I'm just gonna take you on a trip where I show small bits and pieces from this process in which I develop this further dream of mine, and this further dream of mine will get more and more clear in each and every video. Today will be a big day, because I will do the first physical work on this trailer here. I'm excited. Become a rhythmical residence in which I hope to host musicians for writing periods, maybe even recording periods. Also maybe some concerts, some small concerts, other events. Just a residence based around rhythm. Yeah. Let's start.
Hebben jullie camera? Dan gaan we dus.
Ja. Hé, maar die was echt cool.
Ja, dat is wel vet, ja. Die sound is ook best wel
Ja, waarom?
Och Lili! Haha! Lili! Wat doe met een neusje? Kan je dan niet komen? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oui. Zo.
wel cool eigenlijk. Is dat goed? Het is vet hoe je dat al aanvoelt, hè? Zonder dat we iets zeggen.
Yes! Let's eat pizza! Let's eat pizza.
And the most important, to love your job. It doesn't feel like work. It's like playing. Come on. Every day I'm playing like a child.